Hello and Namaste. A very warm welcome to all of you. It's my immense pleasure to stand before you here today. आप हो सकता है हमारे साथ काफी लंबे टाइम के साथ जुड़े हो, या हो सकता है कि इसी वीडियो द्वारा आपने महोत्सव ग्रुप से पहली बार कनेक्ट किया. Whatever may be the timeline, I am simply grateful for your presence here today. Let me introduce myself. I am Priya Jain. I'm fashion designer and stylist and creative head in the company and have been in the Mahotsav group for over 5 years today. COVID-19 की वेव आई और हम सभी ने बहुत सारी नई चीजें सीखी, अपनी स्किल्स अपग्रेड करी and we took to platforms that were totally out of our forte. Standing in front of all of you today is one of them. I'm quite nervous but I'm equally excited because today I'm going to introduce you to this amazing brand and it's equally amazing products. Conceptualized and initiated by Sri Naresh Ji Chopra in the year 2000, Mahotsav has a long history of achievements and I'm not even bragging. Starting the concept of catalogs and lookbooks in the Surat textile industry for the first ever time, to bringing the concept of 1-minute sarees, which of course I will tell you about later. हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा. To bringing the idea of virtual fashion shows, Mahotsav and Mr. Naresh Ji Chopra is surely a trendsetter. To start with, let me introduce you with our brand umbrella. First and foremost is our brand Navrata. It contains within beautiful pocket-friendly range of designer sarees that contains within lycra-based sarees that is apt for any parties and silk-based sarees for your small traditional events. Then is the brand Mo Matan and my absolute favorite. It contains sarees that are trend-setting and inspired by Bollywood. Then we have introduced the concept of 1-minute sarees that is a ready-to-wear pre-draped design concept. We also have traditional sarees with a hint of modernity. And last but not the least, our beautiful heavily embroidered lehenga saree concept. So, before we move ahead with the next brand, let me tell you one thing. अगर आपको हमारी कोई भी ब्रांड या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में और ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए या इंक्वायरीज करनी है for your orders, do not hesitate to call us on the below given numbers. Alternatively, you may leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. Moving ahead, let me introduce you to our brand Momaya. It has basically two styles. There's Momaya Ethnic, with all the beautiful and authentic traditional elements to it. And then there's Momaya Fusion, with a little bit of modernity to it. Because why just stop at one style? You deserve the best of both the worlds. Am I right? Moving on to the last but not the least brand. Our brand Nimaya Ready. It has a huge variety and a huge selection of gowns, crop tops and skirts, kurtis, palazzo sets and a lot of modern designs. And finally coming to the most special day, the most special occasion in every girl's life, the wedding. Every girl dreams of that perfectly put together, a perfectly designed lehenga for her bridal. And brand caters to that perfectly designed lehengas for your special day. Now that you are well versed with the brand Mahotsav, let me tell you one thing. Mahotsav strongly believes in celebration. Celebration of every moment, celebration of all these special occasions in the most fashionable style. We know how important your special day could be. And trust us, we bring to you the best of designs in the most beautiful fabrics and even better finishing. Leave that worry to us. Coming to the end of this episode, if at all you have anything in mind or you have any ideas what should we bring to you next, do leave us a comment below and we'll bring to you that particular brand with that particular design that you would want in your wardrobes right away. Till the time, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more regular updates. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and lots of love from Mahotsav.
Presenting a brand new way to do business with Mahotsav app. Type Mahotsav in Play Store or App Store and download the app. Create your account and wait for approval. हमारी सभी ब्रांड्स नोरिटा, मोमंथन, निमाया, मोमाया, नयोनिका की सभी कैटलॉग्स इस ऐप पर अवेलेबल हैं। आप कोई भी सब ब्रांड सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। उसके हिसाब से आप कैटलॉग या डिजाइन भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। अपनी चुनिंदा डिजाइन्स को आप विश लिस्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर डायरेक्टली ऐड टू कार्ट कर सकते हैं। In case you want to order the entire catalog, you can add the entire catalog along with the total number of sets to the cart और अपना ऑर्डर प्रोसेस कर लीजिए। आप अपना ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑप्शन भी इजीली सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। Selected, press on place order and your order is placed. Simple, easy and quick. Wait for your approval or check the pending list in the notifications bar.